quick release with this short hub. On my 93 Mazda Protege. So reason we're installing the shore hub and the quick release is because this is a track car, so it has a roll cage in it. It's not done yet, but when it's done, it's gonna be hard getting in and out of the car, and it will be easier to get in and out when you can remove the steering wheel. Pretty hard doing this with one hand, but here we go. Some of these are already loose. Oh, we'll just snap our fingers and have this done. So now I need to remove this nut. The nut in there is a 7/8, and let me see if I can do this. About that. That was word of advice when you're installing this. Make sure you install this facing up, and make sure your wheel is straight, because mine was turned. So I had to jack up my car, move my steering wheel instead of putting my steering wheel back on. Let's tighten this. Right there. I'm not gonna tighten it all the way yet. See, if I install now, we have the quick release, also NRG. You gotta install these cables if you have a horn. I don't have a horn, but I will install it anyways. Female to male, female to male. It's pretty simple. Oh, here you go, guys. You gotta match this line with the dots that come on the quick release. Right there. Right here. This dot is matching with the dot that comes on the shore hub. And it locked in. Perfect.